I have OPPO AX7 and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at the very beginning, tap on phone dialer icon and then go to contacts. Here, tap on the particular contact, the one that you would like to block, and hold it for about 2 seconds. Once the menu pop up, just tap on Add to Blacklist. To confirm your decision, you have to tap on Add to Blacklist. You just have to remember that since now, you will not receive any calls or messages from this contact. So just tap on Add to Blacklist to confirm. And if you would like to remove some particular contact from your blacklist, if you would like to delete it from this list, just tap on it one more time and hold for about 2 seconds, and then simply select Remove from Blacklist. And that's it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.